Hi, welcome back. Another important real-time project terminology. 14. Project roll-off and top three reasons to roll off. Okay. So what exactly this roll-off? Generally, project roll-off means the date where you are moving out from the project. That means the last date of your project. Okay. The project may continue. Resources might be rolled off. Okay. It has a top three reasons if someone is rolled off from the project. Roll in, roll off is the quite common terms in software industry. If you think about that, okay. What exactly? What are all the top reasons? We'll look into it. If any resource supposed to be roll off from the project, okay. So the first reason, the first and prime reason is like your project duration is 6 months, okay. So like 3 SD consultants and 2 consultants and 5 FI consultants and 2 PP consultants, 1 project manager, 1 delivery manager. I'm just telling an example. Like all these are planned for 6 months of the project. Once they're rolling, so they're supposed to roll off after 6 months. Means when the project is over, they for their salaries, their project budget, everything is going to over. That is roll off. The first reason, that is official roll off. Okay, one is official roll off. First reason. Second reason, they thought that you're a SD consultant, you're a top consultant, or you're consultant they have taken in the project. Probably they might not measure your performance initially. Okay, probably your skills are not matching. So then you will be rolled off. They will take another resource instead of you in that particular project requirement. Okay, for example, SD consultant can handle with PA integration, PS integration, or resource related billing, or else it may be S4 HANA. Different kind of requirements will be there. Specifically, if they are looking for PP integration with the top scenarios, so you don't have any idea, you haven't worked in manufacturing, you thought that you gave a confidence in project interview, I would like to get in. So you got in, but your performance is under the mark. So then they will be roll off. Nothing will happen. Certain times it will be knife on your head. Certain resources, if they're skilled, if they're not working also, they will be rolled off. These are the two reasons. Skills is one reason, and the project ending is the prime reason. And these two also prime reasons. And the third one is budget constraints. For example, they are paying you from 25 to 30 lakhs as an SD consultant, but actually your project billing is not worth, okay, they are billing less than that. So even if skilled also smoothly, they will say that we would like to take another resource instead of you. It doesn't mean that you are not skilled at all. Okay, these are the prime top reasons for roll off from the project. Okay, I think you understand what is roll off and top three reasons for roll off. It can be a number of reasons. Health issues also will be there. One of the constraint resource cannot able to continue. Certain times the resource is more skilled. He's like he's outperformer as well as his billing is more. So he should be needed for another project instead of him. Like that, he might be temporary or else full time. Different reasons. Okay. So I think you understood what is the roll off. If you start working in first project, okay. So then if you are working on experience or else you are a fresher, so these are the quite common terms you are going to listen. If you really like this video, please like it. I would like to do more videos. See, after working certain years, you need to something give back to uh, you know people. So that's why I'm just doing with a lot of patience and a lot of perseverance all these videos. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And currently I'm holding more than 820 plus videos. And I specifically requesting, I'm having a lot of courses. Okay. On this is my dedicated, uh, what do you call, Udemy forum. Okay. So probably Jagadish, you type my name, you do, okay, you will get all links where I am exactly. So in this somewhere, You can check this. So this is my profile. You can able to see currently I'm holding 6,000 plus students. I'm holding different courses. This is sales and distribution, 112 hours with 422 lectures. This is one of my top course. Another more than this is specifically top course on pricing. Okay, holding around 2,000 plus students, and these are the two top courses I would recommend every SAP consultant getting master to write functional specification before getting into the real time. And second one is for idoc. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really want, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.